traffic. 11 o'clock. Low 1 mile.
Okay, Bob, how you looking?
7,000 watching you.
Okay. Would you like to go live, or you want me to give you a show me? Pretty straightforward.
Okay, we can go to live.
20. Okay, copy. That'll be a 080 5300. On the exit, I'll be up and left, and you can have straight out.
Yeah, that sounds good.
How we doing? You all ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, just double check. Anytime it's through a procedure that you're not used to, just be careful.
Yeah.
Okay, spacing's good.
Yeah,
4 Charlie Hotel.
Feels good.
0, and you're cleared in at 6,000 feet and below. Air attack is at 8,000 feet and below. Other aircraft, we do have 718, also lead plane with a tanker drop inbound.
Okay, 300.
Give me full flap.
6,000. Charlie Hotel.
Hello, Tanker 718. Hold at the fence, please. Hold at the fence, 718.
Lead 01, 605 and 689 are out of the dip. We'll hold out of the heel.
Okay, 605 and 689. Yeah, hold just between the dip and the heel. Thank you.
60 on the jets.
Spacing's good.
Copy.
Come back to idle again.
Base, getting ready to turn final here in about 3 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, as you turn final, you'll see about 4 in a clump here of red dead trees that are pretty prominent. You'll make them out once you turn final. We'll start just past that.
All right.
I think I...
Got your line?
Yeah.
Right through here.
Twenty flaps. Go and flaps up. I hope that's the 4 trees. Oh,
Yeah.
718. You got the air tanker in sight? In the dip. Hello, Tanker 718. Tanker 44, lead 01. You able to give us some more?
Yeah, well, this time I think we're definitely going to get some gas. We'll just try a combat load, get back to you if we can.
Okay, very good. Load and return Rapid City, please.
We'll do it. 44.
718's off the dip. Lead 01, copy.
Hey, shut up the jets now.
Helicopter 605 and 689 in flight, you are cleared in.
605, Predator.
Well, whatever it is, it is. You want to play? I'll have to get your cruise check done, and I'll just kind of nurse her along up to 75.
Hi, Don.
Hey.
Okay, sure, I'll fly.
It's all yours, buddy.
Okay, I have the controls.
Make me look good.